Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a special little one in my life that had hours and hours of fun with this sit-to-stand VTech Learning Center. This little walker is so convenient for little kids because from the time that they're little, it has so many different features that they can use before they even start walking. So it has this activity center on the front. It detaches, so that way if you want to be able to take just the little front piece with you, it's easy just to take apart. It's very sturdy when they hold on to it to walk, so it's not something that will easily fall apart. It's gonna be durable and hold up for a long time. It's got also this little extra feature on the wheels where it locks them into place if they want to be able to sit there and hold on to it without the wheels moving. So if you're looking for a little entertainment center that is going to be easily to carry, portable, you can haul it in your car and take it wherever you go, this little sit-to-stand walker was perfect for her. She loved it and played with it for hours. And that is just my point of view.